So for those of you that have been registered on Wave Wallet, this is how you go about it to earn. And in case you're not registered, you can pick the link from the description box of this video. So once you've registered, all you have to do is click on this open wallet and wait for your dashboard to be loaded. So you can see this is how my screen looks like, and you see my balance, my mining is counting. So it's basically that easy. The only thing is that on this Wave Wallet, you have to deposit some amount of SUI before you can be able to earn, just like what you did in HOT. For those of you that know HOT, this is HOT update. You have to deposit some amount of NIR before you can mine on this platform. And also, just like Pixel, you have to deposit some amount of SGB before you can mine on it. So that's the same way this Wave Wallet works. But this Wave is my favorite because even as it's not launched yet, it's already paying people. Like, it is already paying. You can basically withdraw. But first, so once you get registered, the first thing you should do is click on this icon here. Once you click on it, your wallet is going to be copied. That's your wallet address. Then you head into any exchange of your choice, purchase some amount of SUI, and then you deposit. Or let's say preferably deposit a minimum of $1 worth of SUI. If you don't know where to get it, you can also DM me on WhatsApp, pick my contact, or join my group from the link in the description box of this video. So it's basically that easy. Once you deposit, you click on this claim now button here, and then you're going to see a button that will appear here that will allow you to start claiming. And the claiming works for, I think the beginning is 2 hours thereabout, but me, I'm mining for 24 hours because I've done upgrades severally. So that again, if you want to upgrade, you need to deposit more than $1 worth of SUI so that you can upgrade your earnings, upgrade the amount of time you come into the app and thereabout. This is your main balance here, and this is your mining time. If you want to level up, for instance, you click on this level up, and I'm in the maximum, so I have to just come into this app once a day to claim my coin. So I think the thing starts from 2 hours thereabout. Then from 2 hours you go to 4 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours, and then 24 hours. So you just need to deposit SUI and then you keep upgrading. While this one, if you click here, it will upgrade, like the amount you earn per hour keeps increasing. For instance, let me upgrade with 200 worth of Wave. So for this one, I don't need to deposit SUI. What I use to upgrade is my mined balance. So as I click on it to go to, I'm in level 3 currently, so I want to upgrade to level 4 so that my speed is going to increase. And okay, I think it's done. All right, so you can see I'm now in level 4 and my speed has gone up. So that is basically that. My mining now is going to increase and be faster than ever. If I also want to still level up again, I'll still click on this again, but I'm not doing that for now. So if you go back here, you can also earn on this platform by clicking on Lucky Wheel. So you click on this Lucky Wheel, you can do spin for 10 SUI, see the amount they are going to charge you, and basically that. You can also do by playing games. Now there's one unique thing. Remember, I told you that you can even withdraw on this platform even as the coin is not listed yet. All you have to do is click on this claim now button, and that requires you to refer, and then your referral has to be active. So there's a level you mine up to. You see this my balance here. Once it shows red, you click on it and it's going to claim some amount of SUI for you, which you can withdraw. I've claimed about 3 times as at the time I'm making this video. So anytime you see this icon, this blue icon, once it turns to red, you click on it and then you click on claim, and then some amount of SUI will be deposited to your wallet. Some influencers have also made about $30, $300 thereabout. You can check online on it. So it depends on, you know, how active your referrals are and how well you refer people on it. But aside that, if you just want to stick to your daily earnings, this project is going to do well. All you have to do is hop on it, deposit the SUI, and start mining. Then also, for you to be conversant with the app, you can, you know, check around it, get used to some things and things on this platform here. So that is basically that. It's that easy, nothing more, nothing complicated.